Hello D&D players and Dungeon Masters, past, present, and future. You want to know what the difference is between an ability check and a saving throw. Not to worry, because good old Uncle Rusty is going to lead you the right way and in very simple terms. So let's first start with an ability check. What is an ability check? It is a check that the Dungeon Master will set in case you want to do something. A practical example of this, let's take a bard for example, and all the unscrupulous activities y'all want to do. Let's say you wish to court an individual at a tavern for a night of rumpus activity. This will lead to a charisma ability check, which is one of your main stats on your character sheet, which we will deep dive in a later video. Let's say the Dungeon Master sets the dice check at a 16 and you roll. You will then roll a d20 and add your charisma modifier to that. If you hit 16 and above, you succeed, and then you will take the individual for a lovely night of activities and fun times. Should you fail, that individual will leave you one side. And it's not just for bards, this is for anything. You can be climbing walls, you can be trying to do stealth checks, so you want to be sneaky beaky. That is what an ability check is. Now, what would a saving throw be? A saving throw, let's give it an example. Let's say you take the individual upstairs and they are going to charm you. You will need to throw an intelligence saving throw or a wisdom saving throw, depending on what the Dungeon Master asks of you. And this can be a failure, which means you will be charmed, or a success. And with that success, you'll be able to figure out someone is trying to charm you, you might be in danger, and probably will need to call your party for help. Remember to put your pants on. And this can be for anything. A saving throw can be against charming, it can be against spells, like wizards throwing fireballs left, right, and center. You're going to be needing to do a dexterity saving throw, and the Dungeon Master will explain to you which stat he wants you to add to your saving throw to ensure you either take no damage or some damage. So, to cover it, ability checks, what you want to do and what you want to accomplish, saving throws, to avoid being in danger or to avoid or take less damage. I hope you guys did enjoy that. If you did, please do consider leaving a like, subscribing for more Dungeons and Dragons content. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer them. And if there's any other videos you'd like to see, let me know and I'll cover those too. And until next time, may the dice roll good for you.